This is Steven from LegitTechTutorials, and welcome back to beginning HTML5. And we are back to form practice number 2. So we're going to do a quick little form practice, and we're going to go through the second set of stuff that we went over. So basically what we're going to have is we're going to have a where have you seen us before, who referred you, and then we're going to have a multiple drop-down selection box. And then we're going to have a submit button. So this is going to be for alleged programming member space thing to where you have to submit some source code in order to get in to show that you're a real programmer, know how to code this and that, a completely commented program, for example. And so you have to submit some code, and then you have to put your email and subscribe to it. Alright, so first thing that we're going to do is we're going to create that box. So what we're going to do is we're going to have a form action, and then we're going to put where it's going to go, the destination. So we're going to have legittechacademy.com/join.php per se, right? And then we're gonna say we're gonna end that, and then we're gonna say where have you learned of us from, or where have you been referred from? Okay, then we're gonna do the select. So this is a selection box, and we're gonna make it called let's call it referral, and then we're gonna say it's a size of whatever. We're gonna give it like a 5, and we're gonna have a multiple select. So let's turn on multiple, and then let's go ahead and jump into the options. So we're gonna say option 1 is going to be a value of YouTube, and we're not going to care about the selected because it's automatically going to be selected, so it's not really that big of a deal. YouTube, and then we're going to, in the option, start another option. We're just going to call it web. And then we're going to say web. Yeah, web. And we're going to close that option. Then we're going to start another option. And then we're going to say that one's like personal reference or something. Personal reference. Personal referral or whatever. I don't know. And then we're going to say personal referral. I'm going to close that option, and then we're going to close the select. Now let's go ahead and pop live on. There we go. Now we have this, and you see that the size is 5, so we have room for 2 more there. If you wanted the size to be 3, it'd only put 3, but in this case it's just got a little bit of excess there. But if we put like 20, it'd be really big. So we're just gonna load 3 in there right now. So we got the 3 loaded. Alright, there we're gonna jump into doing that submit button. So that's a file input box. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do input, and then we're gonna change this method to method equals post, and the input type is equal to file, and the name is going to be source code. Source code. And then we're going to have a break that, and then do a BR, which is a break line. And we're going to here, we're just going to space it out a little bit, and we're going to do a P, and then we're going to say input your source file to be reviewed. Okay, and then we're going to jump into the input type, and then this is when we're going to do our submit button. Submit, and then we're going to have value is equal to upload. And in that form. The form is ended up top, so we're just going to indent this out. And there we go. Choose your source file to be reviewed. And then finally we have one last portion, which is going to have a P, and we're going to have a image on top of the submit button. So we're going to say P, let's do your email to join. Then we're going to do input type is going to be text. Name is going to be email. Input type. Man, I'm forgetting my brackets. And I'm forgetting to spell things correctly up there. Input type, input. Then we're going to say image. Type is equal to image. And then the source file of that image. And then we're going to say images, and it's going to be like join.jpg. And then we're going to declare the width is equal to, we're going to say like 100, and height is equal to, excuse me, 20. And we're going to close that with a /. And there you go. Of course, that image doesn't actually exist, but if it did exist at that location inside the images, so you would be inside the main, you're jumping down one and into join, it would be right there. So here we go. Here we have a referral page. Then we have the selection where you were referred from. If you want this to be single, let's say for example we didn't want the multiple. Let's just get rid of the multiple. Now it's only single, so now you could just pick only one. But if you did have multiple, you just hold shift. You hold shift and you could select multiple options. And then you input your file, and here it jumps straight to the Dreamweaver because that's what I'm using right now. And then you hit the upload button and it would upload to wherever you put the post here. It would push it to there. And your email to join, you would put your email here so they can get back to you, for example. And here you go for a members join page, I guess you could say. And that was really quick. We have the three main parts in here. We didn't have a couple of other things like the hidden elements and stuff, hidden controls. So, but we have everything else here. We have the images. Of course, you could do it to where it just says submit. You just type in submit here. You put in a just a value similar to what you see here. You just type in a value and it'll say, so the type is a submit button. And you'd say name is subscribe or join or whatever you want. And that's what you would do without a image. So let's go ahead and just show you that really quick. So it's going to be submit. And I'm going to call this name. We're going to say join. And this width and stuff is not required. So yeah, that's And then you see over here it has changed. So this is a basic going over forums, and so we're going to move on to the last and final portion of forums in the next tutorial, and then we'll have one more practice, and we'll continue on past forums. Alright guys, this has been Steven from the LegitTechTutorials, and I'd like to thank you for watching. If you like these videos, please subscribe for more videos like it in this series and other series. And if you have any questions, email me. The reference book is in the description. And I'd like to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take it easy.